So I'm installing the carbuilders awesome sound deadening and other stuff inside my stripped out S14. I've done the driver's side, getting up the back. It's pretty tricky and tight working around in there, but I thought this would be pretty interesting. I've put a sheet inside that panel there, and the other side there is nothing yet. And I thought I'd give a bit of a demonstration of the effect. So give this a tap. Bam. And go around the other side and see what that's like. Solid, not tinny. Good. So I hope all this is going to be worth it.